We're over out in Fairport, New York. We're doing some waterproofing for one of our customers. It's just a partial, it's not a full, but basically what they have going on is they don't have a sub pump installed inside of the basement. They don't have any drainage installed inside of the basement. And in one part of the split level here, they get a lot of water on the floor. It was a floating slab, which is fine, but they don't have a sub pump for that water to go to. Okay, we're going to take a peek at what it looks like when a waterproof is all done, and we have a drainage system actually installed with a sub pump downstairs. This is the same property out in Fairport, New York. Let's go take a peek, guys. See what it looks like. No more water. And that's it, guys. That's a waterproof, that's a wrap, and that's what a partial waterproofing looks like. It takes roughly about a day. It's about only 36 feet is what we ended up waterproofing on this one. So just give us a call. Thanks for watching, guys.